Today we are moving out from a component manufacturing to complete aircraft manufacturing. India's industrial growth in terms of machining has grown two-figure numbers in this industry. We as a country are pushed to deliver results with high quality and highly complex capability machines in this industry. Hyderabad is an ideal location for aerospace ecosystem development. The tier 1 suppliers ecosystem has developed a lot in India and Hyderabad is a core part of it. Jyoti is delivering results in terms of manufacturing, precision machining. Jyoti's capability in terms of 5-axis simultaneous machining together with the automation gives a perfect example of the requirement of this industry. The future is quite bright and the industry growth together with the machining supply is going to be better.